How to fix quiet headphones on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix quiet headphones on your PC easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page. Now go down here to the search bar and search for audio. Now click on sound settings. It will take you to this page. Now right here, as you can see, this is my headphones. Now if you have a low headphones, just make sure to make this to here, to make it like this. Now as you can see, I can hear more sound than before. Or if you have a high sound volume, you can make it down. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.